Hey, what's going on, everybody? Back on the water today. Today we're going to be looking for redfish on the flats. It's a little bit windier than I anticipated. I wanted to go offshore, but I don't know if I want to deal with that wind. So inshore it is. Going to be fishing the flats, checking out the docks, and see if we can get a redfish to bite. So stay tuned, and hopefully we get in some action. All right, y'all, so I picked up a handful of hard baits, suspending twitching baits, and we're gonna see if we can find some redfish willing to chew on these. I think I'm gonna start off with this pinfish colored suspending twitching bait. So it's a X-Wrap Twitching Minnow 10. So let's get it tied on and you know, start working these flats. So there's a school of something moving that way. I'm gonna see if I can go far left here. I wouldn't say far left, but if I can go left and intercept them. They're right there. They didn't want nothing. Something else, a wet knot. Yep. Never fails, something. And then come on. Of course, got a wind knot. Boom. Let's see, what is this? I don't know if it's somebody's marker, somebody's little cooler, or tackle box. Let's see if we can grab it here. Waterlogged. Let's see here. Oh, there's a crab on there. There's a little crab on here. He scared me. Look at him. Ouch, don't pinch me, dude. There's a little crab on there. Looks like there's tackle in here. Let's see. Well, if we ain't catch no fish, we caught a tackle box. Oh, looks like a kind of an old box. We'll hold on to it and take it out of the water. I might just leave it up front. I don't think it's going anywhere up there. There's two right there. I don't know if that splash scared them. Oh yeah, they didn't want nothing. Let's see. They're willing to eat a crankbait. There they are. There's a school of 4 of them. Let's see if they want to eat this little crankbait. Oh no. They do not want that. It scared them. Man, these fish are gonna be tough, everybody. Oh, there they go right there. I think they see the line. They didn't want that at all. Let's see. Look at the school of these fish. What is that? I don't know what that was. School of something. Look at them. I don't know if those were jacks. Man, here they come. What are these? They look like jacks. Yeah, they were jacks. They're not feeding. That's crazy. I already know there's a redfish cruising. Here he comes. Oh, this guy's lost. No, it's a redfish. Here he comes. I don't know what he's chasing. Damn. What is going on, dude? None of them wanted to eat this thing. That's crazy. Basically just that school of fish just moving. I know jacks can be pretty aggressive and they'll eat almost anything, but they didn't want this. let's move along. We'll switch over to the paddle tail, slow it down a bit, and see. Dang, that was a little bit tough. Let the wind carry that. See if I just throw and retrieve. Look, something's getting busted up over there. There they go, something big over there. Probably those jacks, look at them. Let me see if I can throw that twitching. Come on. Let's see, right in front of them. Nothing, they're just cruising. I know they would have crushed that any day of the week. Are you kidding me? It's like they're following that bait. No way. Let me switch to a different color. Those minnows they were chasing, they were looking like glass minnows. We'll see here. Look at this giant redfish right here. Look at this guy. This guy's huge. Let's try him. That's a monster redfish. Come on. It's like they're not feeding, man. All right, y'all, so didn't pick up anything on the flats except that catfish. And then trolled all the way about 1.5 miles here to the bridge, and we're gonna give it a shot here, see if we can find something. There's nothing going on. Might move over to those flats down there and check that out. So we got about a couple hours to fish, so let's see if we can find something. Y'all stay tuned. Look at that giant sea turtle over here. There's a big old sea turtle. Look at him. Man, awesome. In the bay. There's something. Oh, come on, dude. Bro, did nothing wrong there. Just, man, let me see. All right, everybody, so abandoned the bridge, came over to the other side to the flats and these docks and see if we can get a fish to bite. Hopefully all that grass over there isn't gone. Maybe we can find a trout. Try to salvage this day with putting some fish in the yak. So y'all stay tuned. Hopefully we get into something. See a bunch of rays down here. The water's fairly clear. There's something. There's something. That's a red. Heck yeah, dude. Dang. Stay pegged, dude. Heck yeah. Man, that was pure luck. And I'll take it. Heck yes, dude. Gonna come off now. Heck yeah, dude. Dude, that's a decent one too. Man, I didn't even spot them. There was a bigger one with it. Come on, buddy. Oh, he clobbered this thing, man. Dude, man. It's a good redfish. Man, look at this guy. Man, this is making my day right here. This guy ain't giving up. Come on, don't get away from me, net. Man, come on, buddy. Man, he splashed me good. Come on this way. Get in the net. Yes. Whew. Heck yeah, man. Heck yes. Man, this is what I wanted today. A nice redfish. Heck yeah, dude. All right, let's get him in here. Get him unhooked. Man, that was awesome. I didn't even feel the thump. By the time I realized it, he started pulling. Let me grab these fish grips so that I can get that other hook out. Come on, buddy. Okay. Let's get situated here. Wipe off the camera. Y'all can see. I'll get this right back in the water here shortly. Oh, let's see. Okay. I got that line tangled up because I left it in the kayak instead of back in the pocket. So make sure he's free of that line. All right, we'll get this one back in the water. I want to get a good photo of him. We'll even measure him, and then we'll let him go. So let's see here. Oh man. Come on, buddy. Let's see here. We'll get him. He is 28 1/4. Man, 28 1/4 inch fish. Man, what a beauty. All right, buddy, hang in there. I want to get a good photo of you and then let you go. So, all right, y'all, so there's some fish blowing up over there. Try to get a good look at this guy. Man, that's a nice fish right here. That's awesome. Man, thanks, buddy. Let's let you go. Let's see what this guy's gonna do. Come on. Let's let this guy go here. Look at him. He's ready to go. Thanks for the fight, bud. Let me see if she'll go. Gonna go. There she goes. Man, all right. Hopefully y'all got to see that. All right, y'all, so this is what I'm throwing. It looks like he broke off the bill on this little, what was a jerkbait. I'm gonna keep throwing it. Looks like it's staying just kind of almost top water. We'll see if something's willing to eat it. If not, we'll switch lures. Just scared a bunch of sheep. Oh man, a whole school of sheep head right here, right up under us. Look at them. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Damn, had to be at least like 15 of them by the time I started counting those. Oh, something over there. Something's chasing. Look at him. Let's go. That should put him in the strike zone. Oh no, that spooked them. What? What? I wonder if those were redfish or those jacks we saw earlier. Crush it. There he is. Oh. Dude, where did they go? There he is right there, right under us. My God. Oh, that was fish. Let's Scared him. That's a redfish right here. Yep. Catch up with these rays. Look right here. Redfish just swam off. You know, another one. All right, y'all, gonna wrap it up here, making my way back to the launch now. Pretty long day. It was a bit of a grind, but that one redfish made it well worth it. Just over 28 inches, so that was pretty awesome. He crushed that little X-Wrap, so gonna have to get a new one since he broke that lip off, but they were tough today. Started off on one side of the flats, saw some redfish there. They didn't want anything. Hit the bridge, didn't catch anything there. Had one good hookup, but looks like it pulled the hook, and then just a couple catfish. But moved out to the other side of the flats, and the redfish were everywhere. Ton of catfish, and then saw actually a bunch of sheepshead too. So just a matter of trying to figure them out. Maybe super longer leader, lighter leader, and more finessey presentations. But that one little X-Wrap got their attention. I had a couple of them come up and slap at it, but just didn't get the hooks in their mouth. So hopefully I can get out here again soon, maybe chase some redfish or maybe go offshore. So we'll see, and appreciate y'all tuning in and watching the video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll catch y'all next time.